Rockford, it's your boy Manny Salgado. Guess where I bumped into right now? I bumped into the man, the myth, the legend. What's up, bro? What's going on? What do you got in there?
Mac and cheese.
He's doing mac and cheese in a smoker. Bro, what else you got in there?
I got some ribs to be done in a few hours. I got some pit beans in there. I got brisket in there. I got pulled pork in there. Turkey breast coming off too in a second.
So, bro, how long have you been doing this thing with Screwhouse Barbecue?
A couple years now. Seriously, yeah. I'm used to doing it in the backyard for fun, but a lot of my buddies were like, you should sell me some or whatever, you know. So then I started selling and it ended up going good. Starting on Snapchat and stuff.
Yeah? That's what's up, bro. So where can they find you on Facebook? It's Screwhouse Barbecue?
Yeah,
or
Screwhouse Barbecue, all socials, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. My website is screwhousebbq.com. Yeah.
And they can hire you for special events and whatnot?
Yeah,
okay,
for whatever.
Gotcha.
Buffet style is what I prefer, just to make it easier on everybody.
Sure.
But yeah, I just lay the trays out. Everybody can portion themselves or whatever.
Okay.
I can serve two. I can slice two. Just be a couple bucks extra, but yeah.
Gotcha.
Sure.
Okay. Well, stay tuned, people. I'm going to try some of this amazing food. I know he's just getting started cooking. I just had to show you what was going down, man. So look for them. Screwhouse Barbecue, all right? Okay, you guys, in typical Fat Boy fashion, because we were so into eating everything, we forgot to make an ending to this video. So I didn't want this footage to go unseen. This guy is doing some amazing stuff. The flavor profiles, the smoke, the attention he gives this meat, man, it was great. That turkey that you see right here, best turkey in town, probably the best smoked turkey I've ever had in my life. So you guys, you have to follow this guy, Screwhouse Barbecue. I can't wait until next year when it's barbecue season all over again. So give this guy a follow, and I'll leave you guys with that. Until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease.